is up, you guys? My name is Nkosi and thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, go ahead and turn on my post notifications, which will notify you every single time I post a new video. So as you can read by the title, today's video is going to be a DIY. I know you guys have been asking a lot lately for a lot of DIYs. I am not really good at DIYs, but today's video is going to be I think it's going to be a really good DIY. But as you can read by the title, it's a DIY Gucci denim patch. I don't know what I'm going to title it, but you get the idea. I'm going to insert little pictures of what I was aiming for, and I think I did an amazing job for like my first actual DIY. I watched a few videos on YouTube and a lot of them really helped me out a lot, so I'll also leave the link down below for those as well. But yeah, this is the jacket here. I got the patches on Amazon. I don't know if you can really see them, but I'm gonna style it and show you guys how I wore it. But I got the patches on Amazon, and then this one right here. But like I said, I'm gonna put it on so you guys can actually see what it looks like. But I got the patches on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below for those as well. But yeah, I'm not gonna be really talking too much. You're not gonna really see my face. You're gonna most likely be seeing me actually physically do it. So I'm gonna do a voiceover clip and everything. So yeah, let's just jump into how I actually made the jacket. So as I said before, the patches that I got are from Amazon, and I'll leave the link down below. So the first thing that I did was I organized the patches and made sure that they were all correct and how I wanted them before I actually ironed on the patches. And yes, these are iron-on patches, which is why this DIY is very simple. So as you see, I'm taking a piece of paper and I'm just ironing it on top of the paper. It's pretty straightforward, and the reason I use the paper is because I don't want to destroy the patches. But I skipped ahead a little further because you guys don't want to see how I obviously ironed each patch. It's pretty straightforward for each patch. But as you see, I flipped over the jacket and I just did the front. It's a very, very easy DIY, you guys. Like, nobody can mess this up. Like, honestly. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found it helpful. And if you do, make sure you tag me into those pictures because I would love to see how you guys' denim jackets turned out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. I would really appreciate it. Also, all of my social medias will be down in the description box below for you guys to go ahead and check out. And as always, until next time, see you later.